morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My name is April Early Pakiding. I'm 19 years old and I live in Poblacion, Lapu-Lapu City. Today, I'm going to perform the 12 techniques of striking and defense of arnis.
Tindig! Handa! Handa sa pagpugay! Handa! Tindig! Handa! Handa sa pagpugay! Handa!